To continue the friendship and cooperation between our two countries and peoples. Your Excellency, allow me once again to thank you most sincerely for inviting me here and for laying such a sumptuous feast for me and my delegation. I thank you. For me,